Umidigi A3 going up against the Blu R2 Plus 2019 speed test. Stay tuned.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So as you can see here, both devices are running quad-core processors that are clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. Now this is a MediaTek processor. I'm not sure the exact number it is, but for sure these are MediaTek processors. Each device is going to have 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, and also each device is going to be running Android 8.1 with security patch of October 2015 for the A3 and December 2018 for the R2 Plus. Now with the Geekbench scores here, you can see that they both got in the 600s and close to the 1800s or above the 1800s. The Umidigi A3 getting the 661 on the single core score and the 1771 on the multi-core score is not too far off behind the R2 Plus with a single core score of 650 and a multi-core score of 1834. Things are also a little bit different with the Antutu benchmark score. The Umidigi A3, as you can see on the left side here, got a 44,381, while the R2 Plus 2019 has a 43,200. So with a little bit of difference in that score there, I would imagine that it may show in some apps, but who knows. So when I do my speed test here, what's going to happen is I'm going to open up applications on each device and seeing which device actually opens up the apps faster. And at the end of the speed test, I'm going to do a RAM management test because these devices both have 2 gigs of RAM. So I want to see which device can hold the applications better in the background. And then I'll determine the winner of the speed test and we conclude the video. Sounds cool? So the first application that we're going to open up on each device is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Umidigi A3 there. The next application we're going to open up is Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Umidigi A3. The next application that we're going to open up is Amazon. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the R2 Plus. Even though I'm not signing the Amazon app, it's still opening up faster, so I'm going to count it. Why not? These are my speed test rules. Next application we're going to open up is Facebook. 3, 2, 1. And that goes to the R2 Plus there. Next application we're going to open up is another social media one. It's going to be Twitter. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Umidigi A3. Next application we're going to open up is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the Umidigi A3 there. The next application we're going to do is Soundcloud. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the R2 Plus. Next application we're going to open up is Spotify. It's a pretty big app. 3, 2, 1. That goes to the R2 Plus. So now what we're going to do now is the RAM management test to see which device holds the applications better in the background. So YouTube, held by the R2 Plus. Play Store, held by both phones. Amazon, held by the R2 Plus. Twitter, held by the Umidigi A3. Instagram, held by both. Not too bad of a job there. SoundCloud, held by the R2 Plus. Spotify was held by both. The Umidigi A3 probably held a few more applications in the background more than the R2 Plus. So by a technicality here, I have to give it to the Umidigi A3. Both of these devices do have the same processor, and I do find that the performance in the Umidigi A3 is a little bit more laggy than the performance in the R2 Plus. But I would prefer the R2 Plus just because it's a little bit more fluid, a little bit more of a pleasant device to look at. Not that they're not both nice looking, but anywho, let me know in the comment section below if there's any other speed tests you guys are interested in watching, because I'll be happy to go ahead and do them. Like this video if you haven't liked already. Also, please subscribe to the channel, and if you decide to, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted, you're notified of it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Max Rock. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.